Hey, it's QueenSit, and welcome to my vlog. I'm going to take you back to Christmas Eve when my bike broke on me. It all started like this.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure she said they closed at 3 on Christmas Eve. Well, I was surprised.
Everybody acting like they know me, dog. Don't just say it now, you gotta show me what you gotta do. Bring the clip back.
I love roads like this. It's a challenge.
Dog, there ain't nothing, I'm just being friendly, dog. It's just a little 10-piece for it, just to blow it in the mall. Doesn't mean that we involved. In a hard way, but got a sticky and I keep it at my dog's place. Girl, I left you loving magic, not sauce.
So I'm riding and my kickstand just broke off. And on the road, I'm driving and it drops down. So what I did was, I put the bungee cord right here. And I put it back and wrapped it around. Did like a little rig to make it here, so hopefully we can get
every time I'm in my trap, I move like Rambo. Ain't a neighborhood in Philly that I can't go. For real. She said, oh, you rich. I graduated, call me Big Fish. I got Lori Harry on my wish list. That's the only thing I want for Christmas. I've been in my way out here, yeah, no, that's facts. You ain't living that you said, yeah, we know that's cat. You ain't got the ass in when you see me, no, I'm straight. DTOVO, we back again, we going back. It's just a little 10-piece for it, just to blow it in the mall. Doesn't mean that we involved. I just put a Richard on the card. I ain't going playing ball, but I'll show you how to gotta do it. If you really want to fall till you fall, and you're back against the wall, and I'm watching, need you to go away. Still going bad on the wrong way. Saw you last night, but did it wrong.
Just came into Harley. My kickstand was broke. They just put it back together in like 30 minutes and it cost me $12. So just the immediate service. Shout out to Harley for taking me in. Christmas Eve, within 30 minutes I'm done and I'm headed out. So bye.